Nurse Paul, I think it would be beneficial to conduct an orientation program for new nurses joining our team. This will help them familiarize themselves with our policies, procedures, and the expectations of the role.
That's a great idea, Dr. Mihira. What topics should we cover in the program?
We can discuss our hospital's policies, patient safety protocols, and communication guidelines. We can also provide an overview of the different departments and their functions.
How long should the program be?
We can conduct a 2-day orientation program, covering the essential aspects of nursing practice.
Should we invite guest speakers from different departments, Dr. Mihira?
That's a great suggestion. Inviting guest speakers can provide new nurses with valuable insights and perspectives.
Mihira, that's a very important question, and I truly appreciate you asking for more clarity on this. It's completely natural to have concerns, especially when it comes to your child's health. So, let's talk a bit more about the why behind these vaccinations. The main purpose of these vaccines, like the ones Emma will be receiving today, is to act like a gentle shield for her little body. They're designed to protect her against some very serious and potentially life-threatening diseases. Think of illnesses like measles, which can cause severe rashes and even pneumonia, mumps, which can lead to painful swelling and sometimes hearing loss, rubella, which is especially dangerous for pregnant women, meningitis, a serious infection of the brain and spinal cord, and polio, which can cause lifelong paralysis. These diseases can have severe complications, and tragically, some can even be fatal. The vaccines work by introducing a tiny, harmless part of the disease to Emma's immune system, allowing her body to learn how to fight it off before she ever encounters the actual illness. Now, regarding the need for vaccination, it's about building this strong defense before exposure to the disease. We want Emma's body to be ready and prepared to fight, so if she ever does come into contact with these viruses or bacteria, she's already built up immunity. It's much safer for her body to learn this way than to have to fight off a full-blown infection. And you might have heard the term herd immunity before, and that's also a crucial part of why vaccination is so important. When a large number of people in a community are vaccinated, it creates a protective barrier, making it much harder for these diseases to spread. This protects not only Emma and other vaccinated individuals but also those who are too young to be vaccinated, like very young infants, or those who can't receive vaccines due to medical reasons. So, by vaccinating Emma, you're not only protecting her, but you're also contributing to the health and safety of our entire community.